Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use the magnetic lasso. So you go to the selection tools and choose magnetic lasso. Here it is. So let me just zoom in to show you. When you want to start the selection, click anywhere on the edge of the image and then just simply move your mouse along the edge. As you can see, automatically it will put pins or selection boxes along the way. If you reach a sensitive area, like here for example, you want to turn around but it is not turning well with you, what you can do is just click and then move, click and then move. So wherever you want, you can manually put the pins, and if it is doing well on its own, you can leave it to do it on its own. And if at any point you make a mistake, for example like this, you want to remove it, just click backspace, it will remove the last selection. So, and let me show you something else. Let me just do that. This is a selection that I have already done. So notice here, the selection chose part of the background which I really don't want to include. If you want to remove this, it's simple. Click on this one, subtract. It will start the selection. Start from where it is good and go until you reach the last point of it. Like for example here. Then circle around until you go back to the beginning and voila, it has been removed. Or you can do the same thing if it has if it removed part of the object that you want to include in the image. Just use this tool here, Unite. You go to Unite, make a selection, go along the way. As you can see, sometimes it plays around, so you have to be a bit careful about it. Just make sure you take your time while doing the selection, because the more time you spend on the selection, the easier is for you to remove the object cleanly, or however you want to use the selection tool for. So now back to this one. Since we have done the selection, you have to go back to where you started. I'm just putting these pins here so it doesn't play around and move around and then confuse me. Once you click, it will be changed. And that's it. That is how you use the selection. Here is an example of how it should look at the end. I have made a selection and moved along the edges of all of this image. And for uses of this, or what you can do after this, we will cover it in other videos on the channel. So far I just wanted to show the tool. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.